Hi guys, it's Simran here and I hope you all are doing fine. Since we are around the season of Holi, and as you know there are some people who use permanent colors and it gets into your skin and you might eventually break out, which is very dangerous for your skin, and getting rid of these colors are quite difficult. Using some ingredients might also give a side effect for your skin. So I'm going to show you some natural ways of getting rid of Holi colors from your skin. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Since everybody has a different skin type, normal, dry and oily, today I will be demonstrating a face mask or a way to get rid of Holi colors from your skin for dry skin people, since I have dry skin. And I will be also showing a few ways of getting rid of Holi colors for normal and oily skin as well. So there are 4 ingredients that you need to use for dry skin people to get rid of Holi colors. The 4 ingredients are: first is milk, second is glycerine, third is soybean flour, soybean ka atta, and a little bit of salt. So let's begin with our mixture. So we'll need 1 tablespoon of soybean flour, a little bit of milk, half a tablespoon of glycerine, and just a pinch of salt. If you want better results, you can also use sea salt. Let's mix these ingredients. You can apply it directly with your hands, or you can use a brush to apply it. So basically we are using this to remove Holi colors. So you don't have to apply and keep it on your face. You have to scrub it in circular motions. So scrub it on your face in circular motions till you get rid of the Holi colors for 5 to 10 minutes or so. And then wash it off with cold water. So this face mask that I just demonstrated, or face scrub as we call it, can be used by dry skin people, and it is a very natural way to get rid of Holi colors without damaging your skin. There are few different ways for normal skin and for oily skin. For normal skin also you need 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is Masoor Dal. You need 2 tablespoons of Masoor Dal. You need 1 tablespoon of flour ya atta. You need 1 tiny pinch of Haldi and just a little bit of rose water so that you can mix the mixture together. After doing that, apply it on your face and scrub it to get rid of your Holi colors. It has to be used for normal skin people. Use it for 10 minutes or so and wash it off. For all my oily skin people, don't worry, we have a remedy for you as well. So all you need is just 3 ingredients. 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, just a little bit of glycerine and a little bit of water so that you get a mixture, a paste out of it. Scrub your face to get rid of the Holi colors. Scrub it until you get totally rid out of your skin so that you don't have any side effects left. And scrub it for around 10 minutes or so and wash it with cold water. You will get rid of these Holi colors in a very natural way, and you won't have any side effects by using any products, so that you have a very natural glow from the ingredients that you're using right from your kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, share and subscribe for more upcoming and exciting videos. Follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran. Thank you.